In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change view only to edit in Google Sheets. Start by opening the Google Sheet you want to update. In the top right corner, click the Share button. It's the button you use anytime you want to control who can see or work on a file, and it opens a panel with all the sharing options in one place. Inside that panel, look for the section labeled General Access. This area controls what people can do when they access the file through the link. If the file is currently view only, you'll see a drop-down that says Viewer. Click that drop-down and change it to Editor. Viewer means people can only look at the sheet. Editor grants full editing permissions, so they can type in cells, add sheets, and adjust formatting. If you don't see the Editor option, that usually means your account doesn't have permission to change it, so you may need to ask the file's owner to update the setting for you. But when you do have the option, switching Viewer to Editor is the key change. After you've set General Access to Editor, click Done. This saves your change and closes the sharing panel. From this point on, anyone who opens the spreadsheet through the link and falls under that General Access setting will be able to edit instead of just view. It's a good idea to make sure this is really what you want, especially for important files, because Editor Access allows people to modify content. Remember, Google Sheets keeps a version history, so if needed, you can review and restore previous versions later. Now copy the share link so you can send it to the people who need to edit. You can grab the link from the share menu and paste it into a chat or an email. Sharing that link is what lets others take advantage of the new editor access you just set. If you've already shared the link before, you can reuse the same link. Your updated general access setting applies to it. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.